Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make chat rooms in Character AI. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Character AI. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. After signing in, you will be redirected to the home page where all of the available characters will be present. Now, click on your username at bottom left corner and a menu will open up. Inside it, select Back to Old Site and then wait for the web page to load. Once loaded completely, the old interface will appear on your screen. Now, click on the Create icon at the left side and then select Create a Room. Once you click on that, you will be prompted to enter the basic room data like room name, topic, and the characters you would like to add. After you are done with all of that, click on the Create button and you are good to go. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.